everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Rachita Sharma and I represent Career Ventures Chandigarh. Today we have wonderful feedback videos sent by our student Manju Rani all the way from Canada. Let's see what she has to say about us.
Hello everyone, I am Manjurani and today I am going to share my views about career venture. To start with, I am postgraduate with Master of Arts and Bachelor of Education. I have completed my studies in 2013. Since 2013, I have been working as an English teacher. I am married and I have a son who is 9 years old. Like other aspirant, I had dreamed to pursue my career, my life abroad. With this thought in mind, I applied for student visa with local consultant, once for Australia and then Canada. And both times I got refusals. It was quite disappointing for me. Then someone suggested me about career venture. The counseling that I had got from them was so much effective, and after discussing with my family, I applied with them. But there was a question in my mind that their office is based in Chandigarh and I am from Karnal. So, how could it be possible for me to visit their office since I was working too? But, guys, I never visited their office. The entire process of my admission was done by emails and consultation over phone. The local consultant asks you to visit their office for small works. I have a better experience about that. But I visited their office only once to collect only my duly stamped visa of Canada, and I am very happy and so much contented with the services, the guidance which I got from a career venture. I also want to say you that your application depend on right consultant who help you to select an effective course for your application. In my case, as I told you that I had 7 years gap and especially two refusals, the best professional Rahul sir sent me links of many courses, and he also gave me very good counseling about that courses, and finally a very effective course was selected for my application, and I got positive result. So when you apply, you should keep three things in your mind. First, effective course. Second, strong SOP. And third, guidance of documentation. And according to me, you can get all these things to take the services of career venture. And my husband work permit file will also be handled by Rahul sir, and I am expecting very good result. So we need effective approach, and as I experienced, I would say that career venture does it very effectively. I am very fortunate to get their services. So, guys, I would highly recommend you to take their services, to apply with them, and after that, you will definitely get the difference of being professional consultant. Thank you, Career Venture, especially Rahul sir. Thanks.
So guys, as you have seen, Manju Rani had long gap of 7 years. She had two refusals, one for Canada and one for Australia. Also guys, again this is a case where she's married, she had a kid. People think that you cannot apply after getting married, but then this is again another example of that. If you have such situation and you want to go abroad, please contact us or visit our office. The details are given in the description box. Thank you so much for watching.